A roof covering using rock aggregate ensures a unique appearance with an embossed look that is in line with the current architectural trends. Blizzard is a stylish straight line form with double embossing. The shape refers to classic ceramic roof tiles complemented by a topping of rock aggregate, a highly aesthetic product with a refined structure. Blizzard is an inseparable element of the landscape of modern roof coverings. Blizzard has 6 deep embossments in the panel and is available in various colors, which works not only in new construction, but also on the roofs of more traditional buildings. The elegant appearance of the arranged roof panels with the illusion of typical ceramic roofs can be achieved with a roof pitch of 312. We did not forget about the practical application. Everything was designed to facilitate the work of the roofer. Roof coverings with Blizzard aggregate allows for an extremely quick and easy installation. The regular pattern allows for an easy arrangement of sheets during installation, meaning an optimal number can be used with a small amount of waste.